Hello friends, today we will learn bird names. So let's begin. Crow. This is crow. Pigeon. These are pigeons. Peacock. This is peacock. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Parrot. This is parrot. Owl. This is owl. Flamingo. These are flamingos. Eagle. This is eagle. Vulture. This is vulture. Penguin. These are penguins. Hen. These are hens. Kingfisher. This is kingfisher. Crane. This is crane. Partridge. This is partridge. Cuckoo. This is cuckoo. Turkey. This is turkey. Nightingale. This is nightingale. Weaver bird. This is weaver bird. Hummingbird. This is hummingbird. Do you know any other bird name? Please mention in comments. For more educational videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Educational Videos _ Kids. Thank you.